If you are struggling to share YouTube link on Instagram, in this video I will show you the fastest way to do that. But make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, for example, you are on YouTube and you have liked a video and you want to share the link of that video on Instagram. It can be your own video or it can be someone else's video. Now for example, I've liked this video and I will simply open this video and I will simply tap on that share button below the video to copy the link. I have copied the link of this video now. Now what will I do? I will simply go to Instagram app and I will have to tap on your story on the top left. Now what I will have to do is to select a post from my gallery or photos from the phone. It can be the thumbnail of that video or for example I will select a random video, photo. Then you'll have to tap on that sticker button on the top and then you'll be able to find a sticker of link. You'll have to tap on it and the link that we copied from YouTube, you'll have to paste it right here, and after that you'll have to tap on done. Now you'll be able to find a option of YouTube link and then you'll have to tap on next and then share. Now whoever will visit your story will be able to find that link and he or she can directly go to that YouTube video by tapping on this link like this and then hit. So that video will appear in front of that person who clicks on that link. So that's how you can easily share YouTube links on Instagram or Instagram story. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel, and comment below if you got stuck anywhere. I will definitely help you out.